In this video I explain to you what philosophy and mythology have to do with each other. You will learn how they differ, and what they have in common. Philosophy is the study of thinking and questioning. It deals with big questions about life, the meaning of existence, and human behavior. Philosophers try to find answers to these questions through reflection and reasoning. They often use logic to check and develop their ideas. Mythology is a collection of stories about gods, heroes, and other supernatural beings. These stories often explain the origin of the world, natural phenomena, or certain traditions. They are very important in many cultures, and were often passed down orally. In myths, the fears, hopes, and values of people are reflected. Philosophy and mythology are closely linked, because both try to answer questions about life and the world. While philosophy relies on reason and logic, myths often use symbolic explanations. In ancient times, both disciplines influenced each other strongly. Many philosophers, like Plato, dealt with myths and their significance. Philosophers have repeatedly questioned and reinterpreted myths. They searched for deeper knowledge behind the stories and tried to integrate them into a more rational worldview. This approach changed or expanded many classical myths. Especially in ancient Greece, philosophy was often used to question religious narratives. Mythology also influenced philosophy by providing philosophers with images and symbols. Myths gave thinkers metaphorical tools to explain complex ideas. Many philosophical theories were linked with mythological stories to make their concepts easier to understand. Thus, mythology became an important part of philosophical discussions. Plato was a Greek philosopher who integrated myths into his philosophy. He believed that myths can be not only entertaining but also instructive. He often used myths to explain his philosophical ideas about the nature of truth and reality. His myth of the cave is especially famous, illustrating the relationship between perception and reality. In philosophy, gods often play a role in examining moral questions. Many philosophers wondered if there is a god, and how this god is connected to humans and the world. They examined which moral principles might depend on gods. The question of the existence of a supreme being is a central theme in philosophy. In both disciplines, humans play a central role. In mythology, humans are often beings standing between gods and animals. Philosophy often concerns the question of what defines humans and how they should live. Both disciplines focus on the search for right behavior and the meaning of life. Myths are often used in philosophy as a tool to illustrate complex ideas. They provide a vivid and emotional way to explain deeper truths. Especially in ancient philosophy, myths were an important aid. They helped philosophers to shape abstract concepts into forms that were more understandable to people.